The De'Longhi ECAM35025SB Coffee Machine is a fully automatic coffee and espresso maker that allows you to enjoy a variety of beverages with ease. With its unique iced coffee recipe, it brews smooth, full-bodied coffee over ice without any dilution by using a lower brewing temperature and pre-infusion. This machine heats up in less than 40 seconds, thanks to its Italian 15-bar high-performance pump, ensuring you get coffee shop quality beverages quickly. Equipped with a bean-to-cup brewing system and a built-in steel burr grinder, it guarantees the freshest coffee every time by grinding the exact amount needed for each brew. Cleaning the De'Longhi ECAM35025SB is hassle-free with its removable brew unit and dishwasher-safe drip tray, making it one of the easiest machines to maintain. The adjustable steel burr grinder with 13 settings provides full control over the grind and strength, allowing customization based on your coffee's roast, origin, and personal taste.